So we're back at Walker Farm today and I have got Don Cotterill here with me. He's going to give us the tour and bring us up to speed with where we're at. There has been so much happening.
It has. Last time we were here, Mel, I don't think we had the decking down. We were at a roughing stage, so the frame was up. We had the odd window going in, but it was mainly roughing, so no claddings, no brickwork. So yeah, we've got a little bit to show you today.
I can't wait.
Let's go and have a look.
Sounds good. Wow, it's really come together since we were in here last.
Yeah, last time you were here, you were looking at a bit of insulation inside the walls and some roughings being done. Your kitchen's in, your timber top, the stone mosaics are looking really good. They just got laid this morning. Section on the splashback there grouted up.
It's really come together. I think one of the things that I really love is just, you know, the repeating of the materials. We've got the timber in the timber. We've done the beautiful made-measure leather handles with a little timber inset, which is gorgeous. And our Fisher & Paykel appliances are in, and our beautiful dish drawers. I love it.
That rock is going onto the surround around the fireplace. The firebox has been installed since you were here last time in the fireplace. Yeah,
it looks fantastic.
Yeah, I love the way that the firebox is going to provide a frame for the stonework to finish to. I think this wall is just going to be one major feature in the house.
So the pool looks like it's just come leaps and bounds.
Yeah, well, it has. There was nothing here the last time you were here, just some bare dirt. The pool's quite interesting, the way that it's been built up totally out of the ground, and it's been formed up with the grain of the boxing timber being embedded into the concrete. I'm also liking the way the timber deck leads into the swimming pool and provides a link. At the moment it feels a little bit disconnected, but once the
landscaping's in, the whole thing will come together.
Yeah, it'll be timber deck onto timber deck. So, you've seen the living end, you haven't visited the bedroom end yet.
Let's go.
Let's go and check it out.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
joinery's in.
Yeah, you need to tell me all about this.
This is all about lounging around watching TV. It's more of a family space. We've just used subtle colour through the joinery. We've stuck with our beautiful range of colours from Haynes. We've got the Modesty white going on all the walls, and then Moon and Stars, which is just this really lovely light grey. And again, we've done the made-measure handles, but it's looking fantastic. All of our ACs going into those units.
Yeah, the AC units, it's really difficult to air condition this home.
It is.
There is no room anywhere to run any ducting. So we've had to be a little bit ingenious with what we've done there, and we've got the air conditioning sitting up in the top of a lot of the cabinetry throughout the swing.
We've done that through all of the robes, haven't we? Yeah. In here, we've just repeated those natural materials the whole way through, and we've done the limestone again. So the limestone that's out in the kitchen and in the laundry is the fossil limestone, and this is the light grey limestone, but it's still in a tumbled finish. So we've just repeated the same material the whole way in different shapes and formats. Yeah. This is looking fantastic. One of the things that I'm really loving is the combination of, you know, just keeping on repeating that black butt timber. We've got our solid vanities from Lachlan Furniture, we're bringing the concrete and repeating that from the concrete floors, the concrete basins from Concrete Nation, and then these, oh my goodness, how amazing do they look? Yeah. Brooklyn copper, handmade copper taps. The sneaky thing with those, of course, is we actually had them made a couple of months ago and they've been sitting outside weathering, so they've got that beautiful patina.
They just suit the home so well. It's this woolshed farmhouse style, and that just suits the rustic nature of the rest of the design.
It does. Arguably best room in the house.
Yeah.
It's looking fantastic. We've got some really exciting things coming in. I can see the wall has all been set up. The boys from A&R Joinery are really...
Yeah, there's been a lot of work go into the framing and the measuring of this. And I understand the upholstery that you've organised has arrived at the cabinet makers.
Yes.
And the only timber floor in the house.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a wide-board black butt.
Yeah, it feels solid under feet. Booked in to get sanded in a couple of weeks' time. I think your preference was to not have a glossy finish on it, to get it as flat as possible for the look here.
And we're going to be putting in beautiful linen curtains from Draperly in each one of the bedrooms. And I think that's just that texture. It'll be that final textural element that's going in. We've got matte floors, matte surfaces, natural stones, linen, leather, beautiful and tactile.
And the ensuite.
Yeah. Wow.
This is arguably the best room in the house.
Okay, and I have heard that Tim has been making murmurings that he would prefer to sleep in this room.
Yeah, well, he's had some good input as a client. This was all wall. And I know at frame stage, Tim walked in here and he said, look, I just want to look at that view out there. Yeah. And at the moment, I can't. So what can we do? He had
a real vision for that, didn't he? That he wanted to be in the shower, he wanted to be seeing the view, but he wanted to be reflecting the view from the mirror.
Yeah, natural stone again.
Yeah, so we've done that green andesite again, and this is the same tile that we're using out in the pool. Yeah. It's really come up well in here. It's just got that variation in colour that I love and ties into all the materials and the finishes.
Yeah, and again, repeat of what you've done previously. The concrete nation, the black butt.
Furniture, black butt.
Again, I love the volume in this room as well. Even though it's quite a small room, it feels a whole lot larger than it is. It's a bit of a play and a bit of a trick.
Even the way we've taken the tiles up to the ceiling, as difficult as that was.
Yeah, the tile, I love that, yeah.
Well, it's looking absolutely fantastic. We are so close.
That's right. A few finishing items to do. Painter to come in and complete, electrician, plumber. That front entrance roof, there's a fair amount of detail in work.
There's a lot of detail in there. I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, so around about 3 weeks' time, I think we'll be meeting back here again and going through and looking at a finished product.
Yeah, exciting. I can't wait.
Yeah, awesome.
Let's do it.